You need to hear this if you're a veggie lover. Welcome to the holistic wellness realm. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. Vegetables are nutritional powerhouses. They are nature's gift to us, packed with an array of essential nutrients that our bodies need to function optimally. From the vibrant greens of spinach to the deep reds of tomatoes, each vegetable brings its own unique set of benefits. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These compounds work together to support our overall health, from boosting our immune system to protecting our cells from damage. Imagine the power of a single carrot, rich in beta-carotene, or a handful of kale, loaded with vitamin K. These nutrients help our bodies thrive. They play a crucial role in maintaining our energy levels, supporting our digestive health, and even improving our skin's appearance. When we include a variety of vegetables in our diet, we are giving our bodies the tools they need to stay healthy and vibrant. They boost our immune system, protect against diseases, and keep us energized. Regular consumption of vegetables can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. They are also a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. But did you know that how you cook your veggies can affect their nutrient content? Yes, the way we prepare our vegetables can either enhance or diminish their nutritional value. For instance, boiling can cause water-soluble vitamins to leach out, while steaming can help retain most of the nutrients. It's true. By choosing the right cooking methods, you can unlock the full potential of your vegetables. Techniques like steaming, roasting, and grilling can help preserve and even enhance the flavors and nutrients of your veggies. On the other hand, overcooking can lead to nutrient loss and a less appealing texture. Some vegetables are best eaten raw. Raw vegetables such as bell peppers, cucumbers, and carrots retain their maximum nutrient content and provide a satisfying crunch. They are perfect for salads, snacks, and fresh dips. Others benefit from a little heat. Cooking can help break down tough fibers and make certain nutrients more accessible. For example, cooking tomatoes increases the availability of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Similarly, lightly sautéing spinach can enhance its iron absorption. We'll explore the best ways to cook your favorite vegetables. From steaming broccoli to roasting sweet potatoes, each method has its own advantages. By experimenting with different techniques, you can discover new flavors and textures that make eating vegetables a delightful experience. This way, you can enjoy their delicious flavors and reap their amazing health benefits. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of vegetables together. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, there's always something new to learn about these incredible foods. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. Raw vegetables are packed with enzymes and nutrients. These are important for digestion and overall health. Some vegetables, like leafy greens, are great eaten raw in salads or smoothies. Others, like broccoli and cauliflower, are easier to digest and release more nutrients when cooked. Take garlic, for example. Raw garlic contains a compound called allicin. Allicin has antibacterial and immune-boosting properties. Cooking garlic can reduce allicin levels, but it makes it easier to digest and releases other beneficial compounds. Different cooking methods affect nutrient retention in different ways. Understanding these methods can help you make healthier choices in your daily cooking routine. Some methods, like boiling, can cause water-soluble nutrients to leach into the water. This means that essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C and B vitamins, can be lost during the cooking process. Others, like steaming and microwaving, help retain more nutrients. These methods are particularly effective for preserving the nutritional value of vegetables, ensuring that you get the most out of your meals. Steaming is a great way to cook vegetables while preserving their nutrients. It is a gentle cooking method that uses steam to cook food, which helps maintain the integrity of the vitamins and minerals. It involves cooking food over boiling water, allowing the steam to gently cook the vegetables. This method is particularly beneficial for vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and carrots, which can lose their nutrients quickly when boiled. This method helps retain water-soluble vitamins, such as vitamin C and folate, which are sensitive to heat. By using steam, you can ensure that these essential nutrients remain in your food. Microwaving is another quick and easy method that helps preserve nutrients. It is especially useful for those who are short on time but still want to prepare healthy meals. It uses electromagnetic waves to heat food directly, resulting in shorter cooking times. This rapid cooking process helps to minimize nutrient loss, making it an efficient way to prepare vegetables. This minimizes nutrient loss and helps retain the vibrant colors of the vegetables. By choosing the right cooking methods, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals every day. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining the freshness and nutrient content of your vegetables. Different vegetables have different storage needs. Leafy greens like spinach and lettuce are best stored in the refrigerator. Keep them in a plastic bag or container to maintain moisture. Root vegetables like potatoes and onions prefer a cool, dark, and dry place. Store them in a pantry or a basket in a cool area of your kitchen. Avoid storing potatoes and onions together as they release gases that can spoil each other. Prep like a pro. Little tweaks, big impact. You know, how you prepare your vegetables can also make a difference in their nutrient content. Try to minimize the time between washing and cooking your vegetables to reduce nutrient loss. Cutting vegetables into smaller pieces can reduce cooking time. However, it also increases the surface area exposed to heat and oxygen, which can lead to nutrient loss. If you're short on time, consider microwaving or stir-frying your vegetables. These methods require less cooking time. Everyday cooking, extra nutrition. Now that you know the best cooking methods and storage tips, let's talk about how to incorporate these into your everyday cooking. One simple tip is to use the cooking water from your vegetables. This water is rich in nutrients that have leached out during cooking. You can use this nutrient-rich water in soups, stews, or sauces. Another tip is to add a healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado oil, to your cooked vegetables. Fat helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins, such as vitamins A, D, E, and K, found in many vegetables. Flavor and wellness on your plate. Eating a variety of colorful vegetables is essential for optimal health. Not only do they add vibrant colors to your plate, but they also provide a wide range of nutrients that are vital for maintaining good health. Each color group of vegetables offers its own unique set of benefits, making it important to include a diverse array in your diet. Each color group provides a unique set of nutrients. For instance, red vegetables like tomatoes and red peppers are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers and heart disease. Including these in your diet can help protect your cells from damage and support overall health. For example, red vegetables like tomatoes are rich in lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, particularly prostate cancer. It also supports heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. Lycopene is an antioxidant that may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. Additionally, it has been shown to improve skin health by protecting against sunburn and promoting a healthy complexion. So next time you enjoy a fresh tomato salad, remember you're also nourishing your skin. Orange vegetables like carrots and sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good vision, a strong immune system, and healthy skin. Including these vegetables in your diet can help ensure you get enough of this important nutrient. Beta-carotene converts to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is crucial for vision, immune function, and cell growth. It helps maintain the health of your eyes, supports your immune system in fighting off infections, and plays a role in the growth and repair of tissues in your body. Vitamin A is essential for vision, immune function, and cell growth. It also has antioxidant properties that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. By including orange vegetables like carrots and sweet potatoes in your meals, you can support your overall health and well-being. Green vegetables like spinach and broccoli are packed with vitamins K and C, folate, and potassium. These nutrients are essential for various bodily functions, including bone health, blood clotting, and maintaining healthy blood pressure. Incorporating green vegetables into your diet can help support these vital functions. These nutrients are crucial for bone health, blood clotting, and maintaining healthy blood pressure. Vitamin K is particularly important for bone health as it helps regulate calcium in the bones and blood. Vitamin C supports the immune system and aids in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. Folate is essential for DNA synthesis and repair, while potassium helps regulate fluid balance and blood pressure. By including a variety of colorful vegetables in your diet, you can enjoy a range of flavors and support your overall health and wellness. Your journey to nutrient-packed meals. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 new cooking methods or storage tips into your routine. Experiment with different vegetables and cooking times to find what you enjoy the most. Remember, healthy eating shouldn't be a chore. It's about nourishing your body with delicious and nutritious food. Share your newfound knowledge with your friends and family. Encourage them to join you on this journey to maximize the nutrients in their diets. Together, we can create a healthier and happier world, one delicious vegetable at a time. A healthier you starts now. Don't let valuable nutrients go to waste. By following these simple tips, you can enhance the nutritional value of your meals and improve your overall health and well-being. Eating your veggies has never been tastier or more beneficial, so go ahead. Embrace the goodness of vegetables. Your body will thank you for it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Holistic Wellness Realm channel for more tips on living a healthier life.